Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer fully cooked baby back pork ribs with barbecue sauce. Let's begin. We have here LLoyds fully cooked baby back pork ribs, and it's around 1.5 pounds. We also have here Curly's baby back pork ribs, and it's also 1.5 pounds. We're going to compare the two and see which one is better. For this video we'll be cooking half of each one, because that's what we can fit in the air fryer. Let's open up the LLoyds baby back pork ribs. There we go. We'll be only cooking half of this. There we go. And save the other piece for another day. We'll be taking some of the extra barbecue sauce and applying onto the ribs. Be sure to cover the sides. There we go. Let's open up the Curly's baby back pork ribs. I'm going to take the rib out. Looks like the Curly's ribs has a little bit more barbecue sauce. Just going to apply it on the ribs. We're going to cut the rib in half. Just like that. And save the other piece for another day. We're just going to apply a little bit more barbecue sauce from Curly's onto the ribs. Make sure to apply the sides as well. And now let's put in the air fryer. We're going to put in LLoyds baby back ribs first. And next let's put in the Curly's baby back pork ribs. We're going to turn it to 370 degrees. For a total time of 11 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 11 minutes at 370 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Let's take out the LLoyds barbecue ribs first. And the Curly's barbecue ribs. Let's cut up the ribs. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer, fully cooked baby back pork ribs with barbecue sauce. Okay, let's try the Curly's baby back pork ribs. It's very sweet and it's very tender. Let's try the LLoyds baby back pork ribs. The LLoyds baby back pork ribs is sweet as well and tender, but the sauce has a little bit more kick to it compared to the Curly's baby back pork ribs. They're both equally tender and delicious, but I do, however, like the sweeter taste of the Curly's baby back pork ribs. But don't take my word for it. Here, have a bite and decide for yourself.